are the eggplants. um, yeah, now these are the eggplants I'm gonna cook. I don't know how you call these in your home country. I really don't know, but these are the eggplants. I've already cut them and they are on the charcoal stove. These are the ingredients. I have butter, cooking oil, tomatoes, onions, the eggplants. I've now cut the ingredients. As you can see, I have the onions, the carrots, and the tomatoes. Yeah, so hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. It is your girl Suranabs from Africa, the African babe, the village babe. Today I want to show you how I cook my bitter berries in my African village. This is how I do it, so if you don't mind, you can copy from this video and yeah, you tell me the results after testing what you've cooked. I prefer using firewood because I grew up knowing that firewood helps in easing like the food getting ready in time, so I prefer using firewood. So let's cook together and kindly watch. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. Yeah, I'm done. Hope you see the eggplants, and this is matoke. We are going to eat it with matoke. Begabue. Oh yeah, mommy. Take it. You see? Then we eat it with matoke. Hi, my Nigerian friends, subscribers. They're gonna get over. Later, hi, my Nigerian friends. Hope you love this. Attend the brand. Yari. Okay. So this is it. We mostly eat these things with matoke. Though some people like the Kenyans eat it with ugali. But in Uganda, it is so sweet and tasty. It looks so yummy. So we are going to put also some avocado. Yeah, we cooked our matoke here. And my intura, my eggplants are here. So this is the food. Wow. My sister is cutting it with avocado. We are going to eat it with avocado. Wow. Oh my god. So good. Yeah, I'm done with cooking my bitter berries. Are they called bitter berries? I thought they're called eggplants. Yeah. Um,
Why do you eat from the saucepan?
this is how we do it in Africa sometimes. Yeah, I prefer putting my food here where I've cooked from, and yeah, I think it is okay. It is okay. Um, it is very common in Africa to eat from the saucepan. It is very common. I love it. Thank you.
Yoda ibiri nusu lunana.
Iye.
Nedda otugenda mu mama Moze.
Banga sinya mama Moze kutapa.
Should I put for you avocado?
Baadhi bakyaga pampi. Bategana mpinda kokule tujjeko. Basanya mama Moze. Abali gatapu mama Moze. Tunabizi babisho.
Yeah, we are ready to eat in the cup. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, breakfast as you can see. As you can see, we are going to have breakfast ready. Oh, I have mine.